Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super useful, especially if you're interested in AI tools. I'll show you how to create a Google AI Studio account step by step, and trust me, it's easier than you think. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. You can simply search Google AI Studio on Google and click on the official website. Once the site opens, you'll see a sign-in button on the top right corner. Click on that. Now, you need a Google account. If you already have a Gmail account, just log in using your email and password. If not, you can quickly create one. It only takes a few minutes. After signing in, Google may ask you to accept terms and conditions. Just read them and click Accept to continue. Now boom, your Google AI Studio dashboard will appear. From here, you can start exploring different AI models, create prompts, test ideas, and even build your own AI-powered projects. One important tip, make sure your internet connection is stable and always use your main Google account for better access and security. And that's it. You've successfully created your Google AI Studio account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.